Once again, welcome to our English class. In previous class, we have learned about the Nick's biography. Today, we are going to learn about the B reading. That is, every success story is also a story of great failures. So, what did we learn from Nick's biography? What did he say? If we failed, we never stop. We shouldn't stop. If you fail once, try again and again and again. He said that word. If you once you fail, try again and again. So we shouldn't stop on that failure. We shouldn't stop there. We have to continue our trial until we get the success. Until getting the success. So we have learned that message from Nick's biography. So what should we need for this? We need perseverance, dedication, sincerity, discipline. So, with all these, definitely, though we fail, we can get success. So this is the message from Nick's biography, Nick's life. Today, the same way, lots of persons, so many great personalities in the world. Initially they failed, but later they got success. How did they get success? Why didn't they stop after failing? So let us know all these things today. So what is the title name? Every success story is also a story of great failures. Success can't be achieved in a single minute and single way, single action. That is the continuous process. No person can get success easily. Without failing, we never get success. So this reading is proved. So who wrote this lesson? Shiv Khera. So Shiv Khera, who is Shiv Khera? Let us know. He is a great writer. He wrote so many books. Later he changed like a motivational speaker. By inspiring one lecturer in America, he became a motivational speaker. You Can Win is his famous popular book. What did he say? So let us know para by para. What is in the first para? Let us know. Failure is the highway to success. What is Shiv Khera? What did he say? Failure is the highway to success. If you fail, don't stop. You feel that is the highway. What is highway? Highway means broader way, broad way, large way. That is no end of that road. Just you feel failing is one turning point, one turning. If we move on the road, what should we do? If turning will come, what should we do? We will take one more diversion. So you have to do. If you fail, never stop. So failure is the highway to success. That is not the dead end. That is not the ending. So if you follow this, definitely you will reach the destination of your success. So who said this? Shiv Khera. In his first paragraph. Next, Tom Watson Senior said, if you want to succeed, double your failure rate. So Tom Watson, who was Tom Watson? He was the American businessman. He was the CEO of IBM company. So what did he say? If you get success, just double your failure rate. So failure is not the crime, not the sin. Once you fail, you shouldn't stop. Stopping is the sin. If you stop there, nobody will identify you. Nobody will recognize you. You have to continue your journey to get success. So this is about the first paragraph. Next, second para. In the second para, let us know about great personality. Later he got success, but earlier in his From his childhood, he faced so many problems, so many failures, but he did not stop anywhere until he gets success. Until getting success. Finally, what did he think? What did he decide? Later, he proved. He became the President of USA. So, how did he overcome all these? Let us know that type of personality today. So, who was he? He was Abraham Lincoln. So, how did he get the success? How did he travel his journey up to success from failures? Let us know. First, he failed in business at the age of 21. So, very early age, very young age, he failed. He started one business, he failed. He came from a poor family. Just he sheltered in a small house with his all his brothers and sisters, with parents. He was not a rich person. He came from a very poor family. He started one business at the age of 21, but he failed in that. Next, did he stop? He didn't stop. He defeated in a legislative race at age 22. So his ambition was to become a politician. So he entered into politics and he contested in a legislative race. What is legislative race? In American Parliament, that is called Congress, two chambers are there, like our Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha. So legislative means American Parliament, American Congress. Did he succeed? He didn't get success, but he did not stop. Still he continued. Still he tried. Failed again in business at age 24. Again he started business. After defeating legislative, he started business. Then he got success. He did not get success. Again he failed. But did he stop? He didn't stop. Overcame death of his sweetheart at age 26. He had a nervous breakdown at age 27. So, because of his sweetheart's death, he became upset and he suffered from nervous disease. So he had a nervous breakdown and he completely upset at the age of. Again he contested in American Congress. He lost. He defeated. He was defeated by others. Lost a senatorial race at age 45. Again, one more time he contested at the age of 45 for Senate. He defeated. He did not succeed. He did not win. Failed in an effort to become vice president at age 47. At the age of 47, he contested for vice president of America, but he did not win. Again, he failed. Finally, lost a senatorial race at age 49. Again, at the age of 49, he once again contested senatorial race, but he did not win. Again, he failed. Finally, ultimately, at the age of 52, he became the President of United States of America. So he won ultimately. So that is his history. In his life, he did not stop anywhere and he did not try to stop anywhere. He tried and tried. He went on up to getting success, up to win. This is the great thing of Abraham Lincoln. Can we say him failed person, defeated person? We can't say. What is history saying? He is the successful person. Nobody is bothering about his failing history. So that is the great thing of success. Okay, so who will be proved in the society? Whoever try for success, though he fails lots of times, he is the great person in the society. Society can say he is the powerful person. So always we have to try for that. We have to try for the best. failing is the natural thing. That is the normal thing. As human beings, we fail. It is not the crime, that is not the sin. Stopping is the sin. Okay. So what did he say? Defeat was a detour, not a dead end. So defeat, if you fail once, you don't stop. Just you take diversion and you have to go, you have to choose one more route and you can forward, you can move, you can go, you can travel until you reach your destination of success. So this story is proved, the thing is proved by Abraham Lincoln story. Okay children, this is about Abraham Lincoln. So in next class we will learn the next great personality, how he failed and how he finally how he got the success. So with this I stop class here. See you. Bye.